How to make your voice sound deeper. Most of us could only sound like Barry White by gargling cockleburrs, but you can pull off a throaty, soulful resonance with the right kind of practice. You will need less stress, exercise, and water. Optional, mentholated ointment. Step 1. Reduce stress in your life, which tightens muscles, including the ones that influence your voice. Deep resonance derives from loose vocal cords. Step 2. Hum in low registers with your head down and your chin just above your chest. Then, raise your head, still humming, to face the ceiling. This will stretch your vocal cords. Your voice is lower when you wake up because your larynx has been relaxed and reverberating at its proper, deeper register. Apply mentholated ointment to your chest before going to sleep to further relax your throat muscles. Step 3. Speak slowly and project from the back of your throat, allowing sound to vibrate from your chest. Keep your head up when you speak. Don't force yourself to be what you're not. If you're a tenor, be that, instead of hurting your voice trying to change. Step 4. Exercise your neck and strengthen it, because weak neck muscles force muscles around the vocal cords to strain to help out, tightening and thinning sound. Step 5. Breathe deeply into your diaphragm without flexing your abs. Exhale, making the hissing sound of a snake. Taking in a lot of air makes outflow gentler and richer. Scream singing like a rocker can condition and deepen vocal sound, but it is a dangerous way to do it. Step 6. Drink lots of room temperature water to hydrate. Cold water tightens the muscles and makes them inflexible. Did you know? A study of 100 adults in Tanzania found a link between men with deeper voices and the number of children they had.